How to apply for a personal loan with Santander Bank. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser and search for santanderbank.com. You will be directed to the official page of Santander Bank. Over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of borrowing, click on it. Two options will pop up as personal loan and mortgages. Click on this option of personal loan. After you land to this page, scroll all the way down. Over here, you're gonna find different features and benefits of personal loan. You can apply in minutes, no fees, flexible terms, rate discount. Scroll down again. You can find this section for monthly loan payment examples. You can go through this example, and if you are interested, you can scroll all the way up and click on this option of check my rate. By continuing, you are agreeing to the following. If you are current or prior Santander Bank NA customer, you can check in for this option yes. After you check in as yes, you will need to type in your last name, zip code, date of birth, and last 4 digit of your social security number, and then verify you are not a robot, and then you can click on the option of submit. And your request will be submitted as a Santander Bank customer. In the case you are not a Santander Bank customer, you can click on this option of no, and after you check in for no, you will need to provide 10-digit offer code to obtain a personal loan online. Likewise, you will need to enter last 4 digit of your social security number and then verify as you are not a robot, and then tap on submit. That way your request will be submitted for the personal loan. So this is how you can apply for a personal loan with Santander Bank. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe.